Welcome back to the channel, everyone, for this elegant fall kitchen makeover. Easy decor ideas for a cozy autumn ambiance with DIY tips and a haul incorporated. Let's get right into it. Today, I'm going to give you a good look at a space within the space. It's open, it's airy, it's filled with natural light. The goal here is to maintain that bright and fresh atmosphere while subtly embracing the fall season. This is in my son and my daughter's kitchen, so they want to go with the theme that is already here and infuse the space with a touch of autumn that complements the existing, getting a warm yet refreshed look for the season's transition. First, let's head over to our local home goods to search for a few items, a few accessories that are budget friendly and can add that fall feel with a striking effect. We'll explore a palette of fall friendly colors here, as you can see, with bold reds, deep greens fading into burgundies, and rich, vibrant oranges. Yeah, let's take a look at those pumpkins, just right for the picking. To capture that cozy pumpkin patch vibe without overwhelming the. After that, we'll add some functionality to the space with some hand towels that carry a touch of fall charm. I'll begin with the window area. It needs, as you can see, just a bit of attention. She has these plants here, but let's just say they've seen better days. A little cleanup is in order. Let's call it cleanup on aisle one. After taking them down, I removed them from their containers, which she thoughtfully chose just for this reason. I'll give this space, which I'm dubbing the greenhouse area today, a good cleaning with a bit of elbow grease. After that, I'll repurpose the vessels later for the fall decor. And yes, I'll need a ladder, as you can see, to reach that spot. It's a bit tricky to access. Also wipe down the countertops and clear away any items that won't be a part of the fall makeover for the kitchen. So as we know, no makeover is complete without setting the mood, and that starts with a scented candle. You can find this perfect one in the Etsy shop that'll be linked down below. Dive right into the haul of the items selected for the kitchen space. First, I have this beautiful floral arrangement. In its color palette, soft creams, taupes, greens, accented with hints of brown, and a delicate Dusty Miller woven right into it throughout the arrangement. Giving yet that soft and elegant, classy look, providing that fall ambient look that we're desiring for the space. We have acquired some beautiful exquisite pumpkins reminiscent of the charming pumpkin patch. These pumpkins also have the lighting, which is down below in the glass, and you can add the batteries. We're not going to add the batteries within this video, but you get the point. With this iridescent sheen, it's complemented by a delicate pearl finish, while the stem boasts an antique chrome touch, and it adds a touch of timeless elegance. Now I'll add a fall sign, because who doesn't love a simple sign that says "Hello Fall" as a greeting? The warm wood finish and the soft cream tones of the lettering lend a cozy, autumnal, is that really a word? Charm to the countertop, perfectly capturing the essence of the fall style. The next purchase is this beautiful basket, both functional and stylish, because you know we like to have pretty but also functionality. It's crafted in this white with wood accents circling around, and the natural wood finish adds that touch of rustic charm. Perfect for storing items on the countertop. It keeps everything visible, ideal for those who prefer to display their belongings rather than tuck them away. I call them outers, not inners. For added functionality, I've chosen hand towels that introduce texture to the space, because we know that in a kitchen is filled with lots of smooth surfaces, and towels with a light waffle weave like this one adds a welcome contrast. The subtle tan hues reflects that changing colors of fall leaves that seamlessly blend both texture and seasonal charm. Next, we'll begin with incorporating these beautiful pieces into the space. Everything that we've done and what we've selected, which is a stunning floral arrangement with creams, taupes, and greens, accented by dusty millers. I have introduced the beautiful iridescent pumpkins with the pearl finish and the antique chrome stem, which added the touch of elegance, and a charming sign again that says "Hello Fall" with the wood finish and cream lettering enhancing the countertop. While a white basket with natural wood accents combines, again, functionality with style. Finally, the hand towels in a light waffle weave, adding the texture with the subtle tan hues, brings in that nod of fall's changing colors. With all of these elements, we're ready to create a space that effortlessly embodies the essence of fall. So as always, stay inspired, motivated, keep moving, creating something beautiful, if not for yourself, like in today, for someone else. This has been Chanel, and I'll see you all for the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all for the next one. Bye for now.